Hello guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to treat how to lift all kinds of restriction, lengthen restriction in your account. If this is the first time you are coming across my YouTube channel, do wait to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I'm gonna be posting more updates and also tips that are gonna help you in this online space. Today we are going to face lengthen restriction problem. Some of us are stuck in this verification stuff, and to be sincere with you guys, let me tell you the truth. First restriction, second restriction is easy to lift. Third restriction and fourth restriction, it is very hard. It requires a particular strategy to follow so that you're going to lift it. If you use the same method of lifting first and second restriction, you will see it is not going to work. Sometimes in some cases, they will tell you that fourth restriction or even the third restriction, it will remain restricted, or you might be thinking that your account is restricted permanently, but that's not the case. Okay, so this link I'm using, this link is very effective for something like second restriction. First restriction is very easy to lift. If you're facing first restriction, make sure you have your international passport. International passport, that's the one I'm going to recommend because it is the best. There is no way you use international passport to lift your first restriction. That is not going to work. That's the best. Do you understand? Then followed by your driving license, then followed by your NIN. NIN works good, but I recommend international passport because it is the best. And recently, lifting restriction in Nigeria is becoming so hard. So I don't know what I'm going to do, but sometimes in some cases we used to forge international passports for other countries. You understand? Ghana is it's more easy to lift restriction in Ghana. That's why sometimes they used to forge it. So they will use it, use the same data. It will be like the person is in Ghana and then use it to lift. Sometimes it used to work, sometimes it don't used to work. You understand? It's another effective way of lifting restriction. That's for second restriction. First restriction, if you're lifting, if you are trying to lift your first restriction and it is not working, I don't know what I'm going to tell you because that is the easiest way to lift restriction. Then coming to second restriction, if you are restricted for the second time, this is the link you are going to use. This is the link. I'm going to paste it in my description and also going to tag it in my comment section. Please do wait to comment. It's actually trying to encourage me to post more videos to help you in solving some problems you need. Okay, so this is the link I'm going to use. You see, this particular link is going to help you in lifting your second restriction. What are you going to do? Normally, if you try to click verify through personnel, okay, it's going to bring out something like, I don't know where I can get it, but it's going to bring out something like you have tried multiple times, try again, something like that. It's not going to allow you to upload your ID in most of the cases. So you're going to take a screenshot of that thing it's showing. You're going to take a screenshot of that thing it's showing you, and then you come here. You're also going to need your ID, passport. In these cases, they're going to provide you with a link. So now you don't need the ID. What we need is that screenshot of it showing you that you cannot upload your ID anymore. You're going to come here. You're going to input your real name. You understand? Your real name. You know, some of these are cost restriction is renting it out. So you're not going to put the name they change your name to. No. You're going to put your real name here, and your email. You understand? When it comes to select an option, whose account are you reporting? You're going to say my account. You're going to select it. Are you locked out of your account? You're going to click yes. First name of the profile you are reporting. In this first name, you're now going to put the name they changed your account to. Do you understand? Do you understand the difference? This is your own real name that you use in creating the account. Then this is the account that your account was changed to. You understand? That people, no, most of the cases is renting in the account. You're going to put the name that the person changed your account to. So in most cases, the people used to leave your surname as the same thing, but in most cases they don't leave. In some cases they don't leave. Anyhow, just make sure you fill in the details using the profile. For you to get the name they changed it, so go and check your email. You're going to get notifications on when they changed your name. You're going to get everything there. Then provide at least one of the following for this thing, you need your email. You can identify your email. If you also know your URL of your profile, you can also put it. Your phone number is also easy. Just anyone you can get. If you can get two, fine. If you can get all of them, fine. One is enough. Please select the reason that best describe why you suspect the account is compromised. So you know the truth. In those cases, I'm gonna tell you the truth. Just follow the option that you need. Let me say, some people used to rent their account. That's most cases. So I can just say identify unusual activity on my account, because if you tell them the truth that you gave somebody access to your account, they will leave it. They will tell you, oh, you know that it's against Linda's policy and they're giving it out, something like that. So if you click others, now you sabi me, I'm gonna click something like identify unusual activity on my account. You understand? I'm doing this video so that everybody that is facing restriction will try and lift their restriction. If you're still having problem, you can reach out to me on WhatsApp, and please do it to share this video to help other people that are also facing restriction. If you still have LinkedIn accounts for rent, we are legit, and our company pays 5 hours after login. That's after you must have modified your account to help in reducing restriction rates, because if you modify it yourself, it's not going to be restricted more easily. So continue to your business. Here, what can we help you with today? Here I'm going to use ChatGPT to generate my content. You're going to go through it, and remember, the browser you're going to be using for this thing is going to be Chrome browser, my dear. If you use any browser, not every browser is allowed accepted in LinkedIn, so you have to use Chrome browser for this. That's the one I'm going to recommend. And in this attachment, you're going to add the screenshot of what I sent here. The screenshot that you screenshotted in that first time. This strategy is very, very effective for lifting second restriction. So do where to do it. And after that, you click I am not robot. Now, let's go to ChatGPT or Gemini to generate our content we are going to put here. You know the reason why they locked your account. You know everything. You're going to use your email. Your email is very, very important for us to generate this thing. So I'm going to come to my Gemini or ChatGPT now. Just use any AI tools. I'm going to use ChatGPT, and then I'm going to tell ChatGPT to please create. You're going to add my email is so.com. You're going to add your email. Then you're going to add your the last activity that happened. Let me say that's place they choose your they say you should choose an option of the last time you're locked out. And I remember I choose them and notice unusual login or unusual activity on my account. So I'm going to say something like, this. Just you don't need to stress yourself. Just pick one or two things, and here you're going to get you everything you need. Okay. I hope this message finds you well. My LinkedIn account was restricted recently after I noticed unusual activity on it the moment I detect. So you're going to just copy it. You're going to add your full name, the full name you use in creating this, and that's why I like using ChatGPT. Okay, that's it here. And here you're going to say your full name and also your email. I think your email is also needed so that they will get to it immediately. Then after doing this thing, another effective way of lifting your restriction is reaching out to them on Facebook. Guys, I think I need to do video on this thing next time because this is getting long. Okay, so I'm going to do video on how to reach out to LinkedIn on Facebook. This method works very good. I know so many people that I have helped using this method. So if this video is very very helpful to you, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you also have LinkedIn account for rent, if you are looking for a legit people to legit company to partner with, we work on long-term partnership.